I'm Lisa Prince with the North Carolina Egg Association, and I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned egg custard. I love this recipe because it's warm and it's comforting and it just has that feel of nostalgia. So you're going to start out with 4 cups of milk. You pour it in a saucepan and you want to bring it to a simmer over low heat until just tiny bubbles form around the edges. Meanwhile, while that's warming up, in a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together 6 large eggs, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together until it's all combined. Now once your milk is warm and simmering, not to a boil, you're going to slowly ladle that milk mixture into your egg mixture, whisking vigorously so that your eggs don't scramble. You do that gradually until all your milk is incorporated into your egg mixture. Then you're going to stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now that we've got our custard made, we're going to pour it into our custard cups. I like this because it's a good little individual serving for everybody, but you can make this in a 9x13 pan. Now, if I was brave, I would pick this up and try pouring it, but I'm not that brave today because I have a feeling I'll make a big old mess. So instead, I'm going to ladle it into each one of my custard cups. And you're going to fill it up almost to the top. Now I'm going to add a little bit of fresh nutmeg on top. You can do the powdered ground nutmeg if you want to, but I like the fresh. It's a little brighter flavor, and this is just going to add some depth and warmth to the dish. Now we're going to bake the custard in a water bath. So I'm going to add hot water to my roasting pan, and you want the water to come about 1 inch from the top of your custard dishes. This just helps the custard to bake evenly, and it keeps the texture rich and creamy. Then I'm going to put this in the oven at 325, 35 minutes if you're doing custard cups, probably 45 minutes for a 9x13 pan. So once your custard's done, eat it warm, which is one of my favorite ways to eat it. And when I enjoy it that way, I just eat it plain. However, if you want to refrigerate it, you can dress it up some. You can add some whipped cream and some fresh berries. It's so good. It's creamy, it's velvety. That egg flavor comes through, and then you get that burst of nutmeg on top. You just can't beat it. Homemade egg custard.